Alright guys, welcome back and welcome to System Test 2. So in System Test 2 I'm going to be doing two things. I'm going to be doing my full system test. I'm also going to be showing you and demonstrating my auxiliary silent switch. So I changed my basically auxiliary activation switch from that one little light switch with a tab. I updated it, made it look a little nicer, and now it's an auxiliary silent switch. So basically added that to my standard silent switch here. Basically, instead of going right back to the panel, it goes out to my silent switch. Those are these wires here, the white ones, then it goes back to the panel. So that's a new little feature, but everything else on the panel and board has stayed the same. I haven't gotten any new devices yet, but I'm planning on it. I look forward to that. So yeah, let me actually just disable these devices real quick. So now if I activate an alarm, you'll hear the piezo buzzer inside the panel go off. And that's running on about 24 volts. So it's quite loud. So over here, this is our auxiliary silent switch. See up top here, I have a pull to silence alarm. If you take a look over on the side here, notice that it looks a lot nicer than it did before. Basically, pull it there. This little tab that you see up here, I wanted to put an activated lettering up here, I could do that. Then we reset it, it covers it up. So this really is just a light switch. You can see in there that it's an updated and upgraded light switch. So it has a box around it and it has this fancy pull down lever here. So if you go ahead and activate an alarm, we can come over here, pull to silence. You can see that our alarm is now activated and it is silenced. It doesn't take a key to reset, just a simple push up like a light switch, and you'll see that the alarm goes back into an alarm mode until everything is reset. Go, reset the pull station. So now that I showed you a little bit about my auxiliary silent switch, let's get right into System Test 2. So what makes System Test 2 different from System Test 1 is we now have the piezo buzzer and the auxiliary silent switch. So I'll be going through everything here, even though none of my devices have changed. Probably System Test 3 will be with new devices, but we'll see. So with that, I'm going to start out by pulling my simplex. I'll pull my homemade pull station. So I'm going to pull my homemade pull station, and then let's see, I'll probably use the auxiliary silent switch, and then I'll reset it. Silenced. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, and I'll reset the pull station. Since it's an auxiliary device and we can just automatically reset it ourselves, set that, and there's no panel involvement. So it's kind of like an annunciator. Now I'm going to pull the T-bar, and I'm going to do the piezo silence in the panel. I'm also going to do alarm silence. Then I'm going to reset that. So that was piezo silence, alarm silence, Now I'm going to reset that. Set both of those there. And in front of it, I'm going to pull my T-bar again, and I'm going to go ahead and use my, it's not a, shoot, what do I call it? Acknowledge. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll acknowledge it. Reset. And why not? I'll pull my homemade pull station and we'll do a re-alarm with the simplex. Silent zone 2. Now I'll pull the T-bar. Silence that. I'll just silence all of that there. Let's reset the T-bar. Actually, what we can do is, since I silenced the system, since all of our devices are on alarm, reset zone 1 and 2. Set all of our pull stations. I think that's about it for System Test 2. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.